Hello everyone. In this video we will see how you can add your brand details in Predis. Now first we will go to predis.ai and we'll just do the login and we'll come to our content library. So here we will be able to see our content. Now if we go to brand and social account, the fourth option in the left side, I'll click on this option and I'll get the option for brand details in the top. So this is the option for brand details. Now here I have two options. Either I can just write down all the details manually, or if I have a website for my business, I can just enter that here and the details will be fetched by our AI automatically. Now, what are these details? These details are basically to just let AI know about your business, like what kind of products do you sell or promote, or what kind of benefits your users will be getting after using your products, then who are your users, your target country, and so on. So yeah, so I'll just click on fetch details from website. I will just enter my website predis.ai and I will click on fetch details. So before I click on fetch details, I'll show you that nothing is there in this page. So yeah, you can see only my brand specification and things like that. I'll just remove it. uh, yeah, yeah, so my logo and everything is not there, and my colors are also not there. I will just click on fetch details from website and I'll click on fetch details after entering my website. Now you can see that everything has been picked by our AI. So my business description, an AI powered tool designed to assist in generating ad creative and copies for marketing across multiple platforms. So this is what we do basically. Now if I scroll down, I can see for each of the questions the AI has already answered. I can even add to this. Maybe if I want to add few things here, I can just do that, edit this. Now if I scroll down, my colors are also picked by AI. I can even change this. Maybe I don't like this red color. It is too flashy. So I'll just click on this color and I'll just go with some different color, maybe purple or maybe a lighter shade for purple. I'll just pick a lighter shade for purple. So from here, I'll just pick it. Yeah, I'll pick it this one maybe. Yeah, so like this we can do. If I scroll down, I can see that my social handle, my website, my hashtag, and then my tone of communication. This is the part where I need to put in. So basically, I have to select a tone of communication for all kind of posts. So maybe I want professional post. So I click on professional. Then my time zone has already been picked and my logo is already uploaded. So these are things which will be done by AI. I think the font is also we need to pick it. So from here I can just pick any font from here. I can even use custom font and I can just upload that custom font if I want. Yeah. So here one more option which we have is prefer template type. So yeah, so if you want product and text balance in your post, if you want product to like your people can see your product also, and then the text also should be there, then you have to go with this option. If you want to be like your product to be feature focused, then you should go with this option. And you just want to upload your product images, then you have to go with this option. Yeah, so these are the basic details you can put it. Thank you.